Recruiting employees for your business can be an overwhelming task. You navigate through many candidates before you choose one that may be best fit. But that still is a bit of a gamble. A lot of companies also have the policy of starting the new joinee on a probation period. So if you feel they're not the best fit, you can withdraw from the relationship quickly. But how do you really judge a person in a short period of time? Hey there, I'm Tabish Bibikar and I coach and mentor founders of software companies to build scale in their business fast. In this video, I'm going to be sharing with you a tip which you can use on how to spot high performers in their first 30 days of joining. This is a technique that I have personally used many times over. I know a number of entrepreneurs who have deployed this for their subordinates irrespective of the seniority or role that they were hired for, and it's super effective. Once you've hired the person and their induction is completed, you sit them down and say, "Hey Josh," or whatever their name is, "we're going to be working together and I'm really excited about that. I'd like you to do one thing for me. At the end of every workday, I'd like you to send me a daily update on email. It should take you about 5 to 10 minutes max. If it takes you more than that, then you're doing something wrong. In the daily update, I need you to tell me 3 things. 1, what I did today and the results I got. 2, problems or challenges that came up. 3, questions that you may have for me. Alright, just these 3 things. 1, what I did today and the results I got. 2, problems or challenges that came up. And 3, questions that you may have for me. Ask them to send this to you every single workday for the next 30 days. When they start sending this report to you, you will learn so much about them. You'll notice stuff that it took people years to know about them. You'll start to see a pattern. You'll easily be able to understand if they are results driven or activity driven. Are they part of the solution or are they part of the problem? Are they detailed oriented or work at the big picture level? You'll see how and what types of questions they raise. Are they curious and inquisitive or prefer status quo? Are they fast-paced or slow-paced? More importantly, just watching the fact whether do they really send that report to you every day will tell you so much. When you get to the end of the 30 days, you can check back if you've received all 30 reports or just 10 or 3. There could be multiple scenarios that may be possible here. They could be sending it every day, but you know it's bad news. Or they could be sending it every day, but there's very little great stuff happening in there anyways. Or they could not be sending it every day, just some days, but they're getting great results. Actually, it's not so much about they're sending it to you or not every single day, but it's important to look at what was holding them back from sending it every day. They could be a great star performer, and you may actually tell them that you'll be happy to give them an assistant to help them send their daily reports. But if they aren't performing and they're not sending the daily updates, you'll be able to see it clearly too. My experience has been that if they're performing, they'll not be sending, if they aren't performing, they'll not be sending you the daily updates every single day. Then when you sit down with them after 30 days, you could say, "I asked you to follow this one thing every single day," and they'll have excuses and reasons. You could say, "Look, I don't think this is going to be a very good fit as we need to remain focused on results, accountability, and smooth communication. And it doesn't just seem to be your style to do that." Then it'll be all out in the open and you'll know what next steps you should be taking from there. So get that daily update and it could be tremendously valuable for you. Do implement this in your business and let me know your results. If you've liked this video, please do not forget to like and share. Do also subscribe to our YouTube channel to see more such videos sharing tips on scaling up. Thank you for watching.